Hey guys, Justin here with JKS Manufacturing, here with another exciting new Bronco product. So one of the weakest links we've found on these Broncos is in the factory tie rods. Whether it be lifted or stock, the minute we get them into four-wheel drive and you know, the front end digging really hard, those things are susceptible to bend really easily. So the solution we found was these heavy-duty inner tie rod sleeves. What these are is 1-inch cold rolled steel that is E-coated that slides over the weakest length of the inner tie rod, but still allows for full toe adjustment, meaning you can still align your Bronco regardless of lift height with these installed, but we've now eliminated that weak link. As you can see here, the factory one is super thin diameter. There's just not a whole lot of meat around there. With the new JKS units installed, we've more than doubled the cross-sectional area of that and definitely tripled the strength. So check these out, and if you want to see a full install video, just take a look at the link. And as always, for anything JKS, check out jksmfg.com, and of course on Facebook and Instagram for all your Jeep and Bronco upgrades from here and in the future.